Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Nintendo eShop gift card or card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up a web browser and head to Google. Now in the Google search bar, you want to type in Nintendo eShop card or gift card. Now from here in the Google web results, we want to scroll down and then click into the one where it says Nintendo eShop gift cards, official site from nintendo.com. Alright, so once we land on this page here, we need to scroll down, but before we do that, make sure to log in or sign up in the top right hand corner. As you can see, I've signed up and logged in. And now we've got some different eShop cards to pick from, so choose the price that's right for you. So we've got $10 ones, 20, 35, 50. So now in order to purchase one of these Nintendo eShop cards, if we scroll down here, they show you how to redeem it. And you can buy these cards at your local retailer as well. So if you look for the Nintendo Switch, choose one cards at your local shop and purchase one, two, or even three of these. So they're available at a variety of retailers near you, including Amazon, Best Buy, GameStop, Target, Walmart. So if we click on Amazon, it will take us to obviously Amazon, and this is where we can purchase these Nintendo eShop cards. So yeah, just go ahead and choose which one you want to purchase. They've got all different types here, and just add it to your cart. Make sure you got an Amazon account to do so, and then complete the purchase.